Alright guys, welcome back to page 2 of Unit 9, Sequences and Series. Let's look at page 2, number 9. This one will cover number 9 through 14. Number 9 says, given the recursive formula, okay, that's this right here, and that's an arithmetic recursive formula. It says, and also the first term, what are we doing? We're just finding the next 4 terms, okay? So, what is that first term starts with? -3. What is your D? D is -7, so I'm going down 7 every time. So -3 minus 7 is -10. -10 minus 7 is -17. -17 minus -7 is -24. 1, 2, 3, 4, one more. -24 minus 7 is -31. So there's my next 4 terms. Okay. Number 10, I'm starting at 33. Write it as a set. I'm adding 3. There's your D. So 33 plus 3 is 36, plus 3 is 39, plus 3 is 42, plus 3 is 45. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, including my first one. Number 11, it says, given the recursive formula, okay, for arithmetic sequence, find what? First 5 terms, and then write the explicit formula. So those are the things you're going to find. So let's do first. Let's go ahead and find the first 5 terms. So I start -7. My D is -5. -7 minus 5 is -12. Minus 5 is -17. Minus 5 is -22. Minus 5 is -27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's my 5 terms. Okay. And also, what are we looking for? Your explicit formula. So what is your explicit going to look like? Well, x of n equal what's your first term? -7. What is your D? -5. N minus 1. Okay. Number 12. All right. Your first term is -24. Your D is 8. So -24 plus 8 is -16 plus 8, -8 plus 8, 0 plus 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's your 5 terms. Okay. Your explicit formula will look like this. X of n equals your first term, -24 plus your D, n minus 1. There you go. Number 13, it says, given 2 terms in the arithmetic sequence, find the common difference, the term name, the explicit formula, and the recursive formula. So those are a lot of different things that you're going to have to find. All right? Here you have a of 16 equals -80, and a of 38 is -168. First of all, you want to go find D. Okay? To find D, this is what you're going to have to use. Go ahead and make that one a of 1. And this one is a of 22. And how did I get 22? 38 minus 16 is 22. Okay? So to find D, I'm going to plug this in as my 22nd term. So -168 using my explicit formula, which is x of n equals x of n plus D, n minus 1. There's your explicit formula. All right, equal. I know I put a comma there. Equal, what is your first term? -80 plus your D. And what term is -168? 22. Okay? Solve for D. So, plus 80. That gives you -88 equals 22D. Divide by 22, that gives you -4. There's your D. There's my common difference. All right. Now, it says, find the term name, 27. Well, I found my D, but I don't know what 1 is. So I got to go find 1. So to find a of 1, okay, I'm going to use either one of these. Let's go ahead and use this one. So you're going to have -80 equals, I don't know what my first term is. My D is 4. And it's n, what is your n? This one is 16. So 16 minus 1. Okay. Let's go ahead and do the math. Negative 80 equals a of 1. 15 times negative 4 gives you negative 60. Add 60 to both sides. So a of 1 is equal to 20. Now that you have those information, you can write your explicit formula and the recursive. Let's write the recursive first. X of n equals x n minus 1 minus 4. There's your recursive. Your explicit formula, okay, it's going to be x of n equals the first term. What is your first term? 20 plus your d, which is a negative 4, n minus 1. And then what other terms we need to find? We need to find the 27th term, okay? How do you find the 27 terms? Plug it into your explicit. So x of 27 equals 20 minus 4, 27 minus 1. So 20 minus 4 times 27 minus 1. And that comes out to be negative 84. So there's your 27th term. Number 14. All right. Same thing, okay? Let's find D first. To find D, I'm going to make this my first term, and 36 minus 14 is 22. So this right here is going to be A22 to kind of help me. All right, here we go. So negative 91 equals, what's your first term? Negative 25 plus your D, 36 minus 1. Not 36, my part, 22. Okay, solve for D. So I'm going to say plus 25, which gives you negative 66 equals 21D. Okay, that gives you a fraction. Let me double check my math. Oh, by the way, let's go back something real quick. Okay. This right here, my apologies. This should have been a negative 20. That should have been a negative 20. That changes that to negative 20. I gotta fix that, okay? I just noticed that. That would bother me. So that's not 84. All right, negative 20 minus 4 to 7 minus 1 gives you negative 124. All right, there we go. Okay, let me check my math on this one right here. Let me see. 34 minus 14 leaves you 22, okay? So this is negative 91 equals negative 25 plus D, just 22, not 21. There we go, because that's our second term. That's why I messed up. Let me fix that. That's just 22nd term. My apologies. Okay, so negative 66 divided by 22 gives you 3. So D is equal to negative 3. Okay? Let's go find A of 1. How would we go that? Plug that back in. I'm going to use negative 25. So negative 25 equals your first term, which I don't know, minus your D, and that is 14 minus 1. Okay? Solve for A. So negative 25 is equal to A. Negative 3 times 13 is negative 39. Let's rewrite that. Oh, no parentheses, minus 39. Duh. My goodness, I must be tired. Okay. Minus 39. Negative 25 plus 39 leaves you 14. So A of 1 is equal to 14. Okay? Now let's go ahead and find our recursive formula. Your recursive will be x of n equals x n minus 1 minus 3. Your explicit formula is x of n equals your first term. What's first term? 14 minus 3 n minus 1. Okay? And your, what term we're looking for? 24. So x of 24, a of 24, is equal to 14 minus 3 times 24 minus 1. And that I can do in the calculator. 14 minus 3 comes out to be negative 55. Okay. All right, just kind of look over it. Notice I didn't do n minus 1 here. Why? Because that's my actual term, and I'm just looking at the difference. But I use it down here because I need to know the previous terms. Go back to number 13. Don't forget, this should have been negative 20, which makes that negative 20, which makes that negative 20. So you have to change 124. Good luck, guys.